Hey everybody, you guys wouldn't believe this unless I showed you. So check this out. I'm doing these campaigns in Georgia, in Missouri, right? So this you see in my click-through rates now. Honestly, even though you all have seen me get really low costing leads or whatever, I still like when people look at my click-through rates, I don't even really pay attention to that stuff, to be honest. I just pay attention to my cost per lead. And so I'm going to change the date till today. Okay. This is today. And let's change it to performance. Look at that. So I got, you can see Missouri and Georgia going on, and Georgia's like the only thing that's left. I got over 100 leads today for less than $1 a piece on this one ad. Again, for those of you that are watching and you've been following me for a little bit, you'll know I always duplicate at the campaign level, and it works like a charm every time. So if you're not doing that, you may want to start. So Jesus. So we generated 357 leads a day for less than $1.50 a piece per lead. And so this is in Georgia and Missouri. This is going to be great. So I'm just doing this at this point just for documentation so that people can see what I'm doing. So in the future, I'm going to do some more value videos where I show you all how to get some leads for some other industries. And also want to talk about why your leads are not converting. Why your leads are not converting. Now, another thing is this campaign is actually for my team. All right, this is for my team. So I know some people they say things like, "Oh, well, I see the leads are cheap. How's it converting?" And well, it's actually converting pretty awesome, to be honest. And I should know because they're going to my team. So it's pretty cool when you can generate leads for yourself and not really have to rely on a company to close to make you feel or look good. Because typically, what happens is there is the lead that comes in, and between the lead and the close, there are a bunch of people that are responsible for the success of that campaign. So even if you would have saw my my testimonial video about my friend Adri, who he made almost $500,000 with what I teach, I mean, that wouldn't have been possible if he wouldn't have been a closer, or if he would have had closers set up in a system to where he can give leads to people who actually know how to sell. The leads do nothing if you don't know how to sell. It doesn't mean anything. And so you can generate leads for a quarter. If the people that are getting the leads don't know what they're doing, don't know how to close, it doesn't mean anything. And so for fun, I'm just going to refresh this to see if any more leads came in. Nope. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna get back to work. I got like 3 more campaigns I gotta do. It is 5 p.m. I've been up since about 5. Yesterday I started at like 4 a.m. Didn't go to sleep till like 11:30 p.m. And so that's just the life. So anyway, hope you guys are doing great. I'll talk to you all later. I'll give you some more updates. I meant to update you all about the car campaign. I guess I'll just do a separate video about it. But basically, the car dealership made their first sale on Sunday. And so that was pretty exciting. But anyway, I'll make a separate video for that. Talk to you all later. Thanks for watching.